Hi, welcome to my channel, Second PUC Accountancy. Today, we are going to see how to calculate interest on drawings under average period method under Chapter 1, Partnership Accounts Basic Concepts. So, in the previous class, we had seen how to calculate the average period. So, now we'll see how to calculate the interest on drawings under the second method, that is average period method, or we call it as shortcut method. Now, this average period method is used when a partner withdraws fixed amount on a regular basis throughout every month. So, in that case, we use the average period method. So, now let us see what is the formula to calculate the interest on drawings under average period method. So the formula here is interest on drawings under average period method is equals to total drawings, the rate of interest into the average period in months divided by 12. So here, as per the formula, there are 3 steps to be followed to calculate the interest on drawings under average period method. Step 1 is to first calculate the total drawings. So therefore, the total drawings will be amount of drawings into the number of months. Next, the second step will be to calculate the average period. To calculate the average period is equal to the longest period plus the shortest period divided by 2. The third step will be the actual calculation of interest on drawings using the given formula. Apply the amounts what we have calculated in step 1 and step 2 and calculate the interest on drawings under average period. So now we are going to work out one sum under average period method. Now let us work out one sum under this average period method. Baram is a partner in a firm. He withdrew rupees 3,000 in the beginning of each month for 12 months. The books of the firm are closed on March 31st every year. Calculate interest on drawings if the rate is 10% per annum. So in this problem, if you see, the partners withdrawing a uniform amount 3,000 in the beginning of each month for 12 months, and the rate of interest is calculated at 10% per annum. So here we have to follow the average period method. The interest on drawings under average period method is total drawings into the rate into average period in months divided by 12. So as per the formula, first step to calculate is the total drawings. The total drawings is equal to amount of drawings into months. The amount of drawings is rupees 3,000 into 12 months, which is 3,000 into 12, we will get 36,000. Step 2 is to calculate the average period. The average period calculation is already worked out in the previous video. Kindly refer to the video. So the average period here is the longest period plus shortest period divided by 2. The longest period will be 12 and the shortest period will be 1 divided by 2, which will be 6.5, which can also be written as 6.5. So we'll move on to the third step is to calculate the interest on drawings under average period method. The formula which we have already seen is total drawings into the rate into average period in months. So total drawings we had calculated as 36,000. The rate is 10% given in the question, and the average period we had calculated as 6.5 months, that is 6.5 divided by 12. So when we simplify it, we get the answer as rupees 1,950. So this is the interest on drawings under average period method. Now we'll move on to see the next question. Second question, Mr. Manohar withdrew rupees 2000 in the middle of each month. The partnership deed provides for charging the interest on drawings at 12% per annum. Calculate interest on Manohar drawings for the year ending 31st December 2024. So therefore here again the partners withdrawing a uniform amount of rupees 2000 every month in the middle of every month, and interest rate is given as 12%. So first see the formula. Interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into the rate into average period in months divided by 12. So the first step to calculate is the total drawings. The total drawings will be amount of drawings into months, which will be 2000 into 12 months, that is 24,000. Step 2 is to calculate the average period. The average period is the longest period plus the shortest period divided by 2. So here the average period will be 11 and a half plus half divided by 2, which when you simplify will be 12 by 2, which can also be written as 6 months. So the average period here is 6 months. Now we have to calculate the interest on drawings. The third step, that is the interest on drawings formula is total drawings into the rate into the number of months divided by 12, which is total drawings is 24,000, the rate is 12 by 100, and the month's average period is 6 by 12. So therefore the answer will be 1440. The interest on drawings of Manohar will be rupees 1440. Thank you. We'll see more sums in the next video.